To learning hands. Sounds. What is sound? Sound is a type of energy that we can hear with our ears. It is created when something vibrates or moves back and forth quickly. How do we make sounds? By using our voices to whisper, talk, shout, or sing. By whistling, by playing musical instruments like drums, guitars, or recorders, by tapping or shaking objects around us. What is a sound effect? A sound effect is a specific sound or noise that is created to enhance a particular scene or event. It is used in various forms of media such as movies, TV shows, video games, and theater productions. Let us do an class activity, making sound effects. Let's divide the class into four groups. I will read the story from the slides. When you see your group number on the screen, create a sound effect that corresponds to that specific part of the story. Ready? Let's begin. The story's name is The Magical Sounds of Lily's Farm Journey. One sunny morning, a curious child named Lily embarked on a delightful journey through a farm. As she skipped along the dusty path, her eyes sparkled with excitement, eager to meet the farm animals. As Lily approached the farmyard gate, she looked over and spotted a contented cow grazing on fresh green grass. Lily listened to the cow's sound. Yes, moving further into the farm, she noticed a cheeky rooster strutting proudly near the farmhouse. The rooster lets out a loud rooster. Yes, just a few steps away, she noticed a pair of playful mice standing still. Lily listened to their sounds that echoed through the air. Mice. As she ventured into a farm, Lily spotted a chicken busily clucking and pecking at the ground. Chicken. A rustling sound caught Lily's attention. Curiosity led her to discover a horse on the farm. She approached the animal and it whined softly. Harsh! Just then, a mischievous piglet snorted and plopped on the ground. Piglet? Continuing on her journey, Lily strolled through the farm where she heard the sound of busy bunnies moving across the field. Bunnies? Lily got tired of walking, so she sat beneath a shady tree and listened intently to the soothing sounds of nature. The rustling leaves of a towering tree. Rustling leaves. And the sound of the stream nearby added to the symphony of sound. Stream. Just as Lily went inside the barn, the raindrops began to fall. creating a soft pitter-patter sound on the leaves. Raindrops. Suddenly, the sky darkened and brilliant flash of lightning illuminated the sky, followed by loud clap of thunder that echoed across the foam. Thunder. With each thunderous boom, the storm unleashed its energy, causing the foam to come alive with the symphony of sounds. All the animals made noises together with the booming thunder. All the animals and booming thunder. The storm gradually subsided and the rain transformed into gentle patter. Gentle patter. Rain. And then the rain stopped. With a heart full of awe and gratitude, Lily bid farewell to the farm. What a memorable journey with sounds. Now it's time for questions. Answer your questions in comments. How did you create the sounds? How did you adjust the volume of the sound, making it louder or softer? How did you adjust the pitch of the sound, making it lower or higher? How did you feel while creating and performing the sound effects? I hope you enjoyed the activity and also you have learned sounds. Thank you all. Happy learning.